Today, we're talking about window coverings for your Sprinter van. So, as you can see from the outside, this is a black window covering kit. It's from Germany, of course, and it is called Blidimax. They have revolutionized window coverings for all kinds of vehicles. Specifically, the ones we have for you is a 7-piece kit for the Mercedes Sprinter van. Blidimax has developed black reflective technology. So when you look from the outside, you're going to see black windows, which is great on multiple fronts. One, the reflective technology works just as well as silver reflection, but they've developed a black reflection technology. It also gives you a bunch of privacy from the outside. The windows are dark, therefore it gives the illusion of a blacked out van. And on the inside, having a black interior gives you more privacy during the daytime, gives you tons of privacy at nighttime, but it also is going to darken the inside if you want to take a midday nap, something along those lines. The 8 layers of this also provides incredible heat resistance. So not only the reflective side of the technology, but also the insulation aspect of the windows. Also, it's going to provide cooling as well. So the insulation is going to help keep your van cooler in the summertime, warmer in the wintertime, and give you a bunch more privacy. The other nice thing is, as you can tell, there's little rivets on every single window. Each one has a suction cup so that it sticks on nice and easy to your glass, a nice tight fit, giving you, again, more privacy and better insulation. So the Blidimax kits we have are for the Mercedes Sprinter van. It's a 7-piece kit, and the best part is all 7 pieces are going to roll up and go into their own carrying bag. That way you don't just have loose window coverings all over your van. All right, last but not least, what really makes these special is there is a special material in here called Coldblack. So what that means is that inside this dark external layer, there's a silver layer of reflective material. It's patented. And what it does is it allows it to reflect the heat, but also gives you that black exterior view and into the vehicle that gives you the privacy that you want. So that way you just don't have a bunch of silver around the outside of your vehicle, letting everybody know somebody's inside and camping. So again, Blidimax, Coldblack technology is what makes these things so special and work so well. Check out Blidimax today. We've got it on our website. We'd love to get your van insulated and give you some privacy.